In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add custom background music in Opera. So once you've opened up Opera, what you want to do is head over to the settings. So it should be on the left here on the sidebar. So click on the settings cog, and then inside of search settings, you want to do a search for music. Once you've done that, scroll down and you should then see background music is highlighted. So go ahead and click on that. Now by default here, music will be turned on. If it's turned off, just go ahead and check it and turn it on. Now, here you can see you've got the standard volume that the music's going to play at, and you've got 5 tracks here which you can choose. Now, if you wanted to go ahead and choose more tracks, what I recommend you do is go ahead and click on Get More, or go to the Mods section here on your sidebar. So if you click on the Mods section, and you've got your mods turned on, you can go ahead and then go to the store down here, or the store here, and you can then search for mods to install. Now mods come with background music, they also come with browser sounds, keyboard sounds, themes, wallpapers, and so on. So you can go ahead and go to browse mods and search for any of these different mods. And obviously if you want background music, make sure you've got that one selected. Then let's say you want this anime background music, so go ahead and click on that. Make sure that it has background music, then click install. Okay, so now I've got that installed, we now have some anime background music, which I'm just going to play. And if I wanted to remove this or turn it off, or maybe I don't want the anime kind of like theme, I can just go to mods and I can just keep the background music. So then we can like uncheck here. If we disable and then enable it, we can uncheck what we don't want, and if we just want to keep only the background music, just make sure you've got that enabled. That will make sure your theme and everything else is back to default, but you only keep the background music. That's how you can do it. I hope that helped you out.